Hello, my name is Ioni, and in this tutorial I will show you how I created this game poster in Photoshop. Now, let's begin. Okay, after I created a new document, go to File and Place Images, place Embedded, or just drag and drop the images in program. And I have two images for this background. Now let's place the second image. Okay, now with this image selected, click on this icon to add a mask. So click on this gradient. The black will be the foreground color. The gradient will be from color to transparency. So I want to delete a part of this image. Click and drag. If you press shift, you will have the line straight. Okay, now let's select these images and click on this icon to lock the images. Now go to file and I will place the logo I want to place in the left part of the image. Now let's move forward and just place the font. So click on the icon, and in this font I will create a shape, and then in that shape I will place two images. So for that, click on the shape, the fill I will leave white, and just click and drag. Okay, now with this shape selected, right click and convert to a smart object, because will be the mockup for this screen. So reduce the opacity. Let's press 5 on the keyboard, and you see the opacity, it's decreased with 50%. Now Ctrl T, free transform, and just press Ctrl or Command to click the corner and just reposition this shape. Okay, let's move back to 100% opacity, press 0 on the keyboard. And now, because this is a smart object, if you double click on this, it opens another window. So in that window I want to add these two images. Ctrl 0 to see all the image, select the image, press Ctrl T, free transform, and Shift and Alt or Option to resize the image proportionally. So this is the first image. Now this is the second image. I want to just delete a part of this second image. Select the image, click on this mask, select the mask, click on this gradient tool. The black will be the foreground color, and just click and drag. And now I will switch to brush tool, select the brush tool, click and delete the part of the image. If you want to add image, switch to white and just add image. Okay, now Ctrl S, save it, and you can see it update this smart object with our images. Okay, now I will hide this mockup and click on the phone, click on this magic wand tool and click, because I want to select all the screen. And with this screen selected, I hide the mockup image, and with this image selected, I press shift and click on this icon, and you can see it delete what is outside of the image. Okay, now if you want, you can just double click to reposition the images and just save it again. Okay, double click to add an inner shadow, click on this inner shadow, and you can see it add a little shadow on this mockup. Now let's go further and place another image. Go and place embedded, and now I will add this goose, the main character for this game. And let's place the goose in this part of the image. Okay, and I will create something in this part of this character. Click on this ellipse tool, click, and the shape will be below to this character. Okay, and double click on this shape to add inner shadow. So click on the character, add mask, and click on the brush tool, and I will just delete. The effect is like the goose came out to the circle, so let's delete this part too a little. Now in this circle I will add an image from the background, so let's place this image. Press Alt or Option and just click above of this ellipse, so click on this and clipping mask to add image in this ellipse tool. Okay, and now just select all this and increase a little the size. Now let's add the title for this poster. So click on the horizontal type tool. The font will be Marvin. I will type Join the Wild Goose Adventure. And now I have already saved the effect for this font. So I will go to my libraries, and this rectangle is the effects for this font. And now I want to copy this effects, copy layer style and move to our project. Right click and just paste layer style. Okay, so with this layer selected, press Alt or Option and copy this effect to this layer. And for now I will add only these images. Okay, now let's place this frog in top part of the image. Ctrl T and resize a little. Okay, this will be in this part of the image. The snake will be in this part of the image, and this in this part. The hippo will be in the bottom part. Okay, and now I will add text. Okay, and let's add the rest of the icon. So will be this, the bottom, and the QR code. And let's place this in this part of the image. Ctrl T, free transform and resize. Okay, the chest will be in this part. The bottom, if you want to play the game, you will find the game on the App Store and Google Play, and you can just return to this tutorial to leave the comment what do you think about this game. So this is the barcode. If you want, you can just scan this code and it'll go directly to this download button. And this feather I will just add in this part, and Alt or Option to duplicate this. Ctrl T, resize, and just place one here and one in this part. Now let's see one more time this game poster. Now this was a tutorial for how I created this game poster in Photoshop. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.